My name is John Henry, and I help photographers, and especially photographers who are busy professionals in other industries, go from being unsure about their photography's worth and where it sits in the world to confidently creating and publishing documentary stories about social issues that are going to be changing the way people see the world. Before AA, I was struggling with one major thing, really. I have a doctorate in cultural geography, and I have 20 years of experience in documentary photography, but I never sold or coached in like sort of a relationship like that before where I was selling. I always worked for an organization. And so I wasn't sure how to turn my knowledge into an offer that people would be interested in. I knew how to teach, but actually packaging that into and selling an offer was something I had never had experience with. The biggest shift I had after joining AA was validation. I am seeing paying and talented clients go through the program, and it's given me real confidence to know that the community and the course that I'm building has real value. And I'm seeing and hearing it already from my clients. So far, the results I've achieved through the AA program really, aside from, I mean, enrolling, paying clients for my course, I I'm thrilled about their breakthroughs, right? I have folks who are working through creative blocks that they're finding clarity in the stories they want to tell. They're narrowing down their stories. They're identifying what is most relevant to them and to this moment in terms of how they want to change the world through their work. And on top of that, I'm able to sell the course at a premium price, I think, and begin to build a business that I think is dependable, you know? The AA program has definitely impacted my life, especially in terms of confidence. I'm building a business now that I can confidently rely on, that I know that if I follow the steps outlined in the program, that I can find clients who are a good fit and who are going to achieve outcomes that we set together. And that's been a huge shift for me from going from sort of it's been empowering, I would say. I would tell the before version of myself, before entering the AA, that to double down on building connections and that to have faith in the how the program works and the structure of it, because it is like that for a reason, and that even though it's sort of scary to put yourself out there, that what you're building has value and has merit, and you will find paying customers for your expertise. And that if you double down on finding those people, you're going to have a return on your profits and even have a more successful business.